How to share iPhone internet connection with PC via USB cable. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. Enable cellular data and personal hotspot on your iPhone. For that, you can open settings on your iPhone and turn on cellular data. Enable personal hotspot to allow internet sharing. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your PC. You can use an original or MFI certified lightning cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Step 3. Disable Wi-Fi on your PC. On your Windows PC, you need to make sure that you disable Wi-Fi to avoid disruptions to the internet sharing process. Step 4. Set up the Ethernet connection. For that, press the Windows plus R to open the Run command prompt and type Ctrl and press Enter to access the control panel. Navigate to Network and Sharing Center. From the sidebar, click Change Adapter Settings to open the network connection window. Now wait a moment while your computer processes the connection, and once successful, the Internet menu in the network connection window should display as active along with your iPhone's name. And that's it. You can now easily browse the internet on your Windows PC simply using your phone's cellular data connection. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and tips videos, and leave any questions or comments below. See you next time.